Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that the updates for security for Patch Tuesday in October of 2025 did is once again mess up some PCs using BitLocker. So when on Windows 10 and Windows 11, because both Windows 10 and 11 are affected, if you have an Intel machine and that it has to be in the specific state where the LAN or the internet continues to be connected, even though it is in a hibernate or sleep mode. When you actually get back on your PC, when you wake up the PC, well, it seems like there's a BitLocker recovery that happens. And so what happens is you get this BitLocker screen that says that it needs the recovery key. Once you enter the recovery key, it's fine. You go to the main screen and it never asks again. And this, of course, is a major annoyance when you think about the fact that Microsoft is pushing for BitLocker to be automatically turned on every fresh install of Windows, which just shows you how dumb that is because of a very simple fact. How many people that have forced BitLocker encryption have no idea what a recovery key is and where it is? How do you locate it? Where do you find it? This is, once again, a stupid idea of Microsoft and thinking that everybody knows what they're doing and everybody knows how things are done. So anyways, you might be a victim of this on certain circumstances. There's quite a lot of people that have mentioned they had to dish out, and find their recovery key for BitLocker in order to come back on their PCs. Once again, both Windows 10 and 11 are affected on this. So, one of the places where you could find it is in your Microsoft account, if you can log in with another PC to find it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.